Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the pilot episode of Apple of the Eye. I'm VJ Nick.
And I'm VJ Kai. So, VJ Nick, tell me about the show.
Of course, Apple of the Eye is a music web show that showcases the wonderful talents of HEU students and, of course, Kapampangans as well.
Just like our very own Apple the App.
And, of course, the show is brought to you by the Apple the App Music Studio. Of course, without further ado, Kai,
let's call in our first Apple of the Eye, Joshue Dizon.
Awesome! Woo! Okay, we got a perky guy here.
Hello.
Alright, so Josh, tell us a little bit about yourself, what your course, what college you come from,
Okay.
your age.
I'm Joshue Dizon. I'm 18 years old. I'm from CAS Ed. Yes, I'm from CAS Ed. AB Communications. Yeah.
Awesome. So, what kind of musical genres do you usually play?
My musical genres, I do actually most of them, but I'm not choosy with music. It's just a thing that as long as I can express myself, as long as I love it, I'll do it. I'll do it.
Oh, that's very good.
So, what are your musical influences?
My musical influences, I have a lot of musical influences. As for songs, as for artists, as long as I know that they're good, their music is good, the lyrics, I try to do my own rendition and covers of them.
Okay, so you will be covering the song Latch for this afternoon. And of course, Latch is a song by the British pop duo, or I think that's Garage House duo.
Yeah.
Of course, Disclosure with the vocals of Sam Smith is actually quite, what do you call this? Fluid, very versatile, because it's a song that's EDM, but it is quite famous for its smooth jazzy tone. And of course, it is a song that was released in 2013 for the duo's first studio debut album, which is Settled. And of course, let's see now our very own Josh Dizon's cover of Latch.
You lift my heart up when the rest of me is down. You enchant me even when you're not around. And if there are boundaries, I would try to knock them down. I'm latching on, baby, and now I know what I have found. I feel we're close enough. Could I lock in your love, baby? I feel we're close enough. Could I lock in your love, baby? 'Cause now I've got you in my space. I won't let go of you. I got you shackled in my embrace. I'm latching onto you. 'Cause now I've got you in my space. I won't let go of you. I got you shackled in my embrace. I'm latching on to you. I'm so encaptured. You got me wrapped up in your touch. Yeah, I feel so enamored. Hold me tight within your clutch. And how do you do it? You got me losing every breath. And what did you give me to make my heart beat out my chest? Whoa, 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 whoa. I feel we're close enough. And could I lock in your love, baby? I feel we're close enough. And could I lock in your love, baby? you shackled in my embrace. I'm latching on to you. I'm latching on to you.
And that was a cover of Latch by our very own Josh Dizon. Thank you so much, Josh, for that wonderful cover.
You're welcome, and I'm very thankful for this.
Okay, so would you like to add anything before we
Oh
close our
yes,
set?
you can follow or listen to me more on SoundCloud.com. That's at Josh Dizon. That's JOSHDIZON. No space.
Okay,
Yeah.
so I think you already have some covers there, right?
Yes, I have a lot of it.
And of course, if you like Josh's cover of Latch, of course we'll get to see him more in the upcoming episodes of Apple of the Eye.
You can also cover your favorite songs. You can send in your requests in our Facebook and Twitter page and email as well.
And of course, that's all the time that we have for today. I'm VJ Nick.
And I'm VJ Kai.
And of course, Josh Dizon, this week's Apple of the Eye.